EPE Corporation, a service-disabled, veteran-owned small business, provides the highest quality products and processes in the electronics manufacturing services industry. Conveniently located an hour north of Boston and adjacent to the Manchester-Boston Regional Airport, EPE delivers all the capabilities of a Tier 1 contract manufacturer with the flexibility and agility of a Tier 3 EMS provider to both regional and national OEMs. With a senior management team having over 100 years of combined Tier 1 EMS experience, EPE supplies a complete range of high-reliability electronics manufacturing services to our Fortune 500 and Fortune 1000 customers. And with numerous certifications and regulatory compliance approvals, such as AS9100 and Six Sigma, our customers can trust EPE to get it right the first time. For over 5 decades, EPE has managed full turnkey products in the aerospace and defense, industrial, robotics, medical, and critical communications markets, including full system integration and test. Our data-driven manufacturing processes and global supply chain solutions are scalable and flexible to meet the variable market demands these industries face. As a third-generation family-owned business, EPE values our customer relationships and views them as partners who are treated like family. This means doing everything in our power to ensure we meet and exceed their expectations. With its Tier 1 capabilities and Tier 3 flexibility, let EPE help you get your product to market. EPE, your electronics manufacturing services partner.